Legendary 80s joystick returns with modern features. Legendary 80s joystick returns with modern features. In the 1980s, the Quickshot II was a staple in every well-equipped gaming setup alongside the Competition Pro. It has now returned with several quality-of-life improvements, such as USB support, whilst retaining signature features like microswitches and an auto-fire function. Following its announcement by Retro Games and Pliant in mid-December 2025, the Quickshot II Retro Joystick is now available through retailers. It retains the same iconic design as the original whilst featuring updated connectivity. The Quickshot II combines modern tech with retro aesthetic. Those who used to work and play on a C64, Schneider CPC, or Commodore Amiga in the 80s may remember the once ubiquitous black joysticks with red buttons. Besides the fairly compact Competition Pro, the original Quickshot II released by Spectra Video in 1983 was another memorable joystick of the era. Resembling a flight control stick, it stood out because it was big enough for larger hands and featured suction cups that kept it firmly in place, even during frantic movements required in titles such as Winter Games. Admittedly, its controls could sometimes feel imprecise, but it did offer auto-fire. The Quickshot II, along with its sibling models, has sold more than 42 million units in total, cementing its status as a legend. And it has now made a return to store shelves, available here on Amazon. To keep up with modern controllers, the revamped Quickshot II has been updated with USB support for convenience and includes a 180 centimeters USB cable. In addition to PCs and various retro devices, the controller also works with the following home computer replicas made by Retro Games: the CX4, the Spectrum THA500, and the upcoming THE120. That said, it can't connect to the original C64 and Commodore Amiga via the 9-pin interface, nor does it offer wireless connectivity. Other notable features include precise microswitches, a ball joint, 2 action buttons, 6 programmable fire buttons, an auto-fire button, and suction cups.